Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming recovery options you already control. Check your account email and phone. Make sure they still receive messages because Discord sends recovery links there. Next, search for saved backup codes. Those one-time codes are the quickest way back in. If you still have the Authenticator app on any device, open it now. Once done, you can retrieve the current code. If none of these exist, prepare to use official support and keep proof of ownership ready as the next step. Now apply the official recovery methods in order. Enter a backup code at the 2FA prompt. That instantly grants access and lets you reset authentication. If you enabled SMS recovery, request the code sent to your verified phone. Make sure reception is active. If those fail, assemble account evidence. Your full email, username and tag, approximate account creation date, recent payment receipts, and timestamps of last logins, then contact Discord support. These steps protect your account and explain why support needs proof. Finally, once you regain access, immediately reset two-factor authentication through user settings, choose an Authenticator app and generate new backup codes and store them offline. Add a phone number and mark a trusted device to prevent similar lockouts because redundancy reduces risk. If you cannot log in at all, submit a support ticket with clear proof of ownership, screenshots, payment records, creation details, and remain patient. Review support replies and follow their instructions carefully. Troubleshooting tip: check spam and email filters for support replies and recovery messages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.